This time on building terminology, ligature. A ligature, or sometimes also called a stirrup, is part of the reinforcement system, which is commonly used to restrain the longitudinal reinforcing bars from buckling. Alright, they're used in beams, columns, piles, and strip footings, and they help to carry the shear, torsion, and diagonal tension forces through the reinforcement. They can also act as hangers for longitudinal reinforcement or provide confinement to the core concrete. Other names, as I said, are stirrup, ligature, or helical reinforcement. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.